In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on haptic feedback on Realme GT Neo 3. So if this video did helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. So let's show you from beginning. First of all, open settings on your Realme and swipe up for sound and vibrations. Tap on and swipe up again, and here is haptics and tone. Then as you can see, here is showing zero haptics or O haptics, and here's also a video that you can play and take a look about this haptic feedback. So go back and system haptic, just tap here to turn on, and you can increase or decrease haptic intensity. So you can right there just take on 50% around here, 50 or 60, and you can use dial up tone, lock skin sound, everything here. So if you turn on, and it will give you a haptic feedback on this phone. So that way you can turn on haptic feedback on Realme GT Neo 3. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.